Hi everyone, Sandy here with a showcase walkthrough video of my newest project for Country Craft Creations using Authentique's Boy Swaddle paper collection. This is a baby album for a baby boy, and here's the cover. This album measures 9.5 by 7.5, and it has a 2.25-inch spine. So here on the front, I tried to keep it real simple. For me it's hard. I didn't use any flowers because I felt that flowers would distract from it being for a little boy. I made a covered frame, and I do show you how to do that in a tutorial, and this is just cut apart that I slid in to show you that this is where you would put your picture of the baby. I have the Adventure Begins cut apart here that's lifted up a little bit, a vintage plastic blue button that I had in my stash with the twine bow. Then I punched out some scallop circles, and from the 6x6 paper I punched out some little ducks to decorate the corner here. Scallop punched some trim, add the lace. This is from Country Craft Creations. Here's the spine. I put the scallop trim on the back, and I made with love punch out element from the collection. And I just love how it turned out. This is also ribbon from Country Craft Creation that unties. On the inside cover, you have a section that lifts up, so you have places for photos here with the little scallop tab. You just pull this back. Places for photos here. You have this small flap for photo here. When this opens up, we have a little tuck spot, so I put an extra photo mat and this one, so you can just tuck those in, or you can mat one onto the page if you wanted to. We have two places for photos here. This folds back, and then here on the inside of this flap we have a place for photos here, but you could also put photos here on the quilt pattern paper here and here. Here in the center of this section we have a pocket. Little boys make the world sweeter. And we have two large mat things with belly bands. So we have mats here. You can also mat over the belly band if you need the extra space for photos. And of course you can put photo on the back side. So both of these are made the same way with an extra photo mat inside. And then a little tag with the lined papers where you can write little notes or messages, and that just tucks in there. And so I'll put both of those in this pocket, and you do have a place for photos here and here. So this folds back up, so that is the left side when you open the album. And then page set 1, here on the front we have this little flap from a cut apart that I made where it says I've arrived and my name is, and I arrived for the date, my parents are. And then this flips up, so this one here that peeks out, it says it's a boy, but it also pulls out, and it has a place for a photo behind this little tuck spot here. And then here we have a little pocket with two places for small photos, and this little booklet that tucks in. And this you open by unwinding the string tab, and open up photo here, and then in here we have, you could put a photo here if you wanted to, and then you also have these with the tuck spots here. I have extra photo mats in here in the blue and in the white, so you can put a photo there and here and here, and then on the back sides as well, or write messages and notes. So this just kind of tucks in these little corner pockets here. And this one is the same thing, except it goes this away to the side, and it has an extra photo mat here. And of course you can do something on the back. So I'm just going to slip that back in. And that flips over there, and then you just wrap behind this piece and secure it closed. Now there's 3 page sets in this album, and each one has a pocket sleeve here. I've put one in each one. These are large photo mats. I didn't put photo here because you might want to write messages or something on that. or draw lines and put records, growth record or something. So that just tucks into the side here where it's open. This flips back. We have here at the bottom a little pocket with the flap. And you can tuck all sorts of little things in here, little mementos. This is from the cut-aparts of the collection, Storkgram, so you could fill all this out. Tuck it back in, held with a magnet. This is another string closure that unwraps. I did not stamp these because, again, there might be some writing you might want to do on this, but it opens this way, like that, and then this way. So you just have different things that you can do. You could stagger it if you want to, like this, and then you just close it up. Page set 2 is a waterfall with, again, the little airplane, the baby on the airplane. It is held by a magnet, so you just flip this down. So I put decorative pieces there from the elements, the punch-out elements. This is a waterfall, so all of these flip up. I didn't stamp place photo here, but you can put photos here on each back and front. And again, for these, I just use scraps of the paper so that there's decorative when it's closed, but it is ready for your photos here all the way through to the back where the stripe is. So that just closes up. And again, like I said, there is a large photo mat or journaling place here on the inside of the end. You turn this back. You have your flip tab here, so you flip it up. Your photo, a large photo goes here. You can just slip it underneath and attach it with your adhesive. So your photo can go underneath the flag. This opens up. We have belly bands with a place photo here mat. So you can put that wherever you want to. If you wanted to attach it down somewhere else in the album. We have a photo booklet. Place photo here, 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 and here. So that slides back in. And then these go underneath with it. This is the same on this side. This left one, though, flips back out. And we have a place for photo here and here. You could also put photos on the patterned sections. Photo here and a photo here. I left it so that a photo could tuck underneath like this so that you can get it all the way in. Or a photo here goes underneath the scallop part. This closes back. So like I said, this is the same, and then this closes. So that's how it opens, like that. Page set 3. You have a tab down here, so this lifts up. You can place a photo here, and again, it will slip underneath the banner. So let's slide this so you can see. You flip this up. We have a place for photos here and here. We have a pocket where I put extra photo mats, a cut apart, another tag that I made, and another photo mat back here in that section. And again, there are large mats. I think I put 2 in here because I had an extra one for this photo sleeve or pocket sleeve right here. And then on the back side, we have a tuck spot here with a little scallop circle and the teddy bear. So this cut apart is matted so that you can put a photo on the back. Take that out. You untie this. We have a tag here in the top. It says, "Hello, I'm new here." Inside of this, you open this way so you can put a photo here, here, and here. Also on each back side. And then in the next part here, 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 and here. So you could put all photos and all of that. And then this just tucks back in, and I'll tie that up later. And then on the inside back cover, you have another flap. You can place a photo here, and it will tuck up underneath there. And then this lifts up, so you can put 2 photos here. This flaps down. Room for 2 photos here on the bottom, and here are some photo booklets. So you can put photos here, and this flips here, 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 and back here. And also in here you can put photos. So again, this one flips the same way but the opposite direction. So here, 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 photo, photo, and another photo there. So lots of room for photos in this little book. And that's the baby album out of the Authentique Boy Swaddle paper collection. I had a lot of fun making this, and it's really easy to make. I will have a tutorial how to wrap the frame, how to make the cover and the pages and all the flaps. So that will be on my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed already, please do so and click the bell for notification. That way you'll know when each tutorial is uploaded. I do put them all into one playlist so that you can find them easily when you're working on your project. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to shop at countrycraftcreations.com online for your adhesives, ribbons, cardstock paper, paper collections, and all the different little elements like that you can use in your projects. And again, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.